Hi Apollo, my name is Jessica. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video. I'm going to go over a few tips on how you can improve your web presence on your own. These are some of the same things that I consider when looking at my own client sites. So let's get started here. The first tip I have for you is about content. Google prefers that you have at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be optimized, and this does include the words your images are saved as. And to rank above your competitors in the search, you will need to have more content than they do. So basically, when you're looking to compete in the search results, you have to have more words, more images than your competitors, okay? So I think that you have a good start in the sense that you have reviews, your license, a way to contact you, but this could definitely use more content on it, okay? And that just helps Google see that you can answer the questions its users are asking. So what services do you provide? What service areas, or which service areas are you in? Okay? So how you compare your site to a competitor is you just pull up a competitor. I used Arizona Painting Company. And you scroll through their site, get an idea of how many words and images they have, and compare it to your own, okay? Now, we're not looking at layout here or aesthetics of the site. So we're just literally looking at word count and image count. The next tip I have for you is about citations. Citations are merely business listings in directories. You want to have your business information, name, address, phone number, as it appears in Google, listed in as many relevant directories as possible. A few examples of directories are Yelp, the Yellow Pages, and the Better Business Bureau. These are paid directories, but there are plenty of free directory listings out there. And these are relevant to your ranking in the map section of a search. So this is a local search for house painters, Phoenix, Arizona. This is what comes up. Now if we scroll to the map section here, these are your competitors. So if you want one of these spots, you have to get your business information listed in more directories than these three. And the tool that I use to identify directories is called whitespark.ca. The last tip I have for you is about backlinks. Backlinks will give your website trust and power from Google. They are what push your website to the top of the search results in the organic section. Now, a backlink is just when your website is referenced on another website, kind of like networking. And you need your backlinks to be relevant to your service area and to your company. Also note that backlinks are not created equal. So you want to make sure you're getting them from trusted sources on Google. And it is one of those things that you get what you pay for. Let's look at an overview here. I put your website in this tool that I use called Ahrefs. It gives me an estimate of your data. So I can see that you have 12 backlinks across 5 websites and that you are not being found for any keywords, and the tool estimates that you're not receiving any traffic to your site either. And what they mean by that is like people are searching keywords like house painters, Phoenix, Arizona, and they're not clicking on your site to fulfill that search. Okay, so keeping these numbers in mind, let's look at the competitor. Arizona Painting Company has 4.63 thousand backlinks across 605 websites, and they're being found for 7.4 thousand keywords. You can see that their estimated traffic is almost 6,000 visitors a month. And my reason for showing you this is so you can see that it's worth doing the work. You know, being found for relevant keywords like house painters, Phoenix, Arizona, okay? You don't want to be found for things like local pizza shops and stuff because it's not what you do. So make sure your keywords that you add are relevant to you, and then when you go to build up your backlinks to try to compete with these companies, make sure you're getting them from good sources. Because the thing is, I'm willing to bet that not all of these, and probably most of these, are not high quality backlinks, and you won't need this many to compete with them. Okay? So I hope this information is useful to you. If you have questions or need clarity, you can reach out. My name is Jessica. My phone number is 623-233-0357. Thank you.